Welcome to Incredible Kitchen Science. The kitchen is an amazing place to experiment and investigate. Today we're going to be looking at a scientific hypothesis while making some baked Alaska. A hypothesis is a very big word, but it basically just means a guess. It's a guess or a prediction of what you think is going to happen in your experiment. So in our experiment today, when we're making baked Alaska, we've got a meringue that's covering some ice cream. So we want to find out, does a thicker layer of foam, that's our meringue, insulate better than a thin layer? When creating your hypothesis, you can use research to predict the outcome. So we're breaking our eggs into our bowl and we've started to whisk them up as we make our foam. Now, research has told me that egg whites contain proteins that help to trap air bubbles, making the foam. So our foam's made of air. You can see this if we look at our whisked meringue mix under the microscope. And you can see all those air bubbles going in as our meringue mix is getting bigger and bigger. Look at how stable that meringue mix is and just how many bubbles there are. So more foam would mean there's more air surrounding our ice cream, which might affect how well it's insulated. Here are our egg whites all mixed together. And so next you just need to add your sugar a little bit at a time with your whisk, and that helps stabilise the bubbles in your foam so your meringue doesn't collapse. So now you've got your meringue mix ready to go, we're just going to put out some biscuit bases for our baked Alaska, and then put a little bit of ice cream on each one. So we're putting our meringue on now. So to help with your hypothesis, can you think of a time when something cold has been inside something and then you've wrapped it up to insulate it? What was that? Did you have thin insulation or thick insulation? And what was the difference? While we're in the kitchen, I've just grabbed my cool box because it's actually just there to show you, because this is just 2 sheets of plastic on the sides with a layer of air. So when you're coming up with a hypothesis, you can actually compare with other experiments that you might have done or other information you might have to help you with your ideas. So this suggests it's actually got quite a thick side. And as I use this to keep stuff cool, I wonder if a thicker layer will actually have more ice cream inside it than a thinner layer. I'm going to put some with lots of meringue on and some with not very much meringue on, and we'll see if our hypothesis was right. As we're putting our baked Alaskas in the oven, have you predicted what you think is going to happen? Don't forget to say how the change is going to affect the outcome. So if we have a thick layer, this will happen. And if we have a thin layer, this will happen. Once we've finished some cooking, we can have a look and see if you were right. So I've got one with a thicker layer of meringue and one with a thinner layer that I'm not even sure has got any ice cream left inside, but we're going to open them up and see if our hypothesis, if our guess was correct. So what did you guess? Do you think the thicker one insulates better or the thinner one? So let's have a... No, there's no ice cream left inside this one, but if we open up our big one, yep, there's still some ice cream, a bit of ice cream, not too much, but there is a bit. So it shows the thicker meringue has insulated better. Let's try some too. More really yummy. Thank you so much for joining me for some incredible kitchen science and very delicious science today too. I hope you've enjoyed our experiment as well as our recipe, which you can have a go at home with. If you would like to download our pack, you can find it on the Twinkl website, which has got all the recipes, experiments and information to turn your kitchen into a laboratory. And if you've enjoyed this, don't forget to watch our next video all about mousse and method, and we look forward to seeing you again soon for more kitchen fun. Should we make those again? Oh, so yummy.